Hello, today we're going to be solving for x using factorization. The first thing that I do, I focus. Hello, today we're going to be solving for x using factorization. The first thing that I do for me to factorize this equation right here, I open a set of two brackets. So we're going to have the first set, 1, this, and then the second one, 2. I equate it all to what? To 0. So what I do is I focus on my x first, x squared. So x squared has two factors. It's x multiplied by x. So which means now we're going to put the two factors here. It's x, we're going to write them there and there. So now we are done with x squared. So it means that the second thing that I must focus on, it is my 12. Let's just forget about the signs for now. We focus on the 12. So we're going to say we have 12. So now we are looking for two factors of 12. When we add them or subtract them, they must give me 1, the 1 that is here. So you have 12 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 3. So any of these factors, when you add them or subtract them, that is closest to what? To 1. So which means you're going to go with the third one, the third pair. 4 multiplied by 3. So for now, we can just write 4 and 3. So now we can come and focus on our what? We focus on our signs. So our signs, this is how we interpret them. If your last sign here, it is negative, it means that both the signs in the bracket, they are different. You can just say, let's just put it this way, signs diff. So which means you're going to have what? You're going to have a positive and a negative inside this bracket. So now this one, the first one, if now it is positive, it is the one that is going to tell us which one goes where. So if you have the first sign as a positive, it means that the bigger factor, let me just say big factor is positive. The bigger factor is going to be positive. So between 4 and 3, 4 is the bigger factor. So that means that here is a positive, there is a negative. That's how you interpret the signs. And then we have x plus 4 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we are going to transpose this to the other side, and each time when we transpose, the sign must change. Then we are going to have x is equals to negative 4. That is my answer for x. Or x, we're going to do the same thing here. The sign must change. It's equals to positive 3. So those are my two answers for x. Thank you.